how to remove a repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you accidentally repost a video on TikTok and want to remove it now? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up the TikTok app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now here in your profile, you can see two arrow-like icon. You just need to tap on it. Here you'll find all of your reposts. Just tap on the repost that you want to remove. And once you're there, you need to tap on the arrow icon in the right-hand side that you used to repost. And you can see delete repost option. Just tap on it and the repost will be removed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.